Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mimi. So today I'm cooking okra soup, Nigerian okra. So I'm just starting with the meat. First I washed the freshly sliced turkey, and now I have the smoked turkey. You have to wash really hard because this thing is salty. So here I was done washing, and you can see me putting the smoked turkey on top because it's softer than the other one. And now I'm just gonna slice some onions real quick and add to my pot, and I think that's all for now. Oh yeah, then the seasoning cubes. So in Nigeria we call it Maggi cubes. So I just added only onions and the seasoning cubes, and then I'm gonna like close my pot and let it shimmer. And right here it's like halfway done, and it's halfway done, and I'm just waiting. And now while I'm waiting for the meat to cook fully, I'm prepping the fish. I have dried fish and stock fish, as you can see. So I'm going to soak in with hot water. This is really important because you want to kill like the germs, you know, and all that shit. You don't, yeah. I know sometimes people call it protein. Can you believe that? Like some people actually eat like the dogs or whatever in it. Yeah, but
extra protein.
No, but we're not gonna do that. So while that is soaking, here I am adding the oil, the palm oil, native palm oil to the pot, and then when it's hot, you put in like some sliced onion. And now I have like the locust beans. It's called Okro in Yoruba language specifically. So but that's locust beans. So I just added that, and now I'm going to add my pepper. So here I have like pepper and onion grinded or blended together. And remember the meat, yeah, it cooked like fully, so it's like soft, not very soft. So now you're going to add it.
The good part.
Exactly. You add it in after the pepper is fried, and then you follow suit with some crayfish. And remember the fish I soaked and washed earlier? Yes,
so
this is
the protein.
No, the fish itself is the protein. So yes, this is what it's looking like after all that addition. Look at all that. Just look at
Get in my tummy.
So much protein. I can't even.
It's busy.
It is busy. It's giving.
It's giving.
So now I'm simply adding my seasoning cubes again. So because I added seasoning cubes earlier, so I simply just added like 3 more cubes or thereabout. And now the shrimps, girl. You can't cook okra soup without shrimps. Like what is okra without shrimps?
Nothing, I tell you.
Yeah, so we just simply like washed the shrimps and took out like the shells and all that, and then we added it in. And now our okra. So I ain't got no time to like be doing the okra from scratch. So I just like buy the already cut ones, and this is how it looks like. And put it in the pot and stir and wait for it.
Yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
Abo.
Let's eat. Let's dive in, Abo.
Look at that. Yes. Look at the see. It's drawing.
Slimy. Slime.
And yeah, this is very important. You know what you use to eat the okra. So here we have like poundo yam.
Pounder yams.
So
Pounded.
yeah, you can use anything. You can use fufu. You can use amala. You can anyhow you want to do it. But here we're using poundo yam. And I'm simply dishing out right now for myself. And too much. Like I can't even wait to like taste this. And now I'm just gonna be dishing out, like this is the local way, you know, like how you go to like the buka and then they dish out like your amala. And here I have my brother savoring the deliciousness of it all.
Like a king.
Bye bye guys.